In today's video, I'll be sharing with you how to make this jollof rice with chicken, and this was very delicious. Okay, the recipe is very simple to follow. If today is the first time here, we do easy cooking recipes, so please, if you're interested, do not hesitate to subscribe or follow for more videos. It is free. Without wasting much of your time, let's get started. I have my oil on fire. I've added my pepper, ginger, garlic, onion, and rosemary. I'll be adding my next ingredient, that is the rest of the rosemary. I will give it a stir and then add my tomato paste. After adding the tomato paste, I'll give it a stir and then wait for a while. We are on all social media platforms at Exhibiting Mommy's Recipes. Please do well to follow us there. Now it has been on fire for some time. I'm just going to add my tomato sauce. So that is my fresh tomatoes, oregano, and then my basil I'll be adding next. Please, I have a detailed video, okay, about the jollof stew. Please watch it and you will love it. It was very flavorful. Now I'll add all these natural herbs and spice, which I will leave the name on the screen because I don't want the video to be very long. Thank you so much. Now after adding that, I'll go ahead and then give it a stir and then we can continue. Are you still with me? If yes, you are marvelous. Thank you so much for your time. I don't take it for granted. Okay, I am very, very grateful. So now I'm going to take some of the stew out and then use small portion for our jollof. And now before we do that, I have my chicken here. I've added my ginger, garlic, onion, rosemary. I'll just go ahead and then add my salt as well, and I'll add my seasoning. So what I just added was my spice I made at home. Okay, yes, I've added my seasoning. I'll just cover it and then wait until it is well cooked. Now our chicken is ready. I'll just put it in the air fryer and then fry it. If you want to use oil to fry it, that is fine. Okay, you can go ahead to do so. You can use your oven as well. Now we've taken some of the stew out and this is the quantity we are going for. I have washed my rice very well and then allow the water to strain. Okay, someone was asking me why is it that the jasmine rice is not starchy. That is the reason. It's because I washed it very well and to remove some of the starch out. I mean, I can't remove everything. So when you do it that way, you are able to get that single rice. Okay, yes. So now I'm just going to toast it on fire for some few minutes and then we can proceed. Are you still with me? Thank you. Please, if you want short videos, do not forget to follow me on all social media platforms. Okay, and you will love it. I will just go ahead and add my chicken stock and then give it a stir and we can continue. Thank you very much. After watching this video, the most important thing that I want you to do for me is to leave me a comment and how you see the recipe so that I can read it and also learn from you. You can also share with me how you prepare your jollof rice and I will be very grateful. After stirring everything, this is how it looks. I added some more water to it and I am just going to taste for salt, and the salt is perfect. We are going to leave it on fire and I will be checking on it every 5 minutes at least so that it will not burn and we will get that perfect result. But before we cover it, we are just going to add some sardines to the jollof rice. Trust me, this always takes my jollof rice to the next level. It adds some taste and flavor to the rice. So please try it, you will love it. Okay, we are not adding this just because we want to eat or get some of the sardine to eat. We just want to mash it. So we will mash it when we are coming to stir, okay, as you can see on the screen. And this was exactly 3 minutes later, and as you can see, the jollof rice is already looking so delicious. My returning subscribers, thank you so much for always watching my videos. I don't take it for granted. Thank you so much. And my followers, I am very grateful. Now I'll wait for a while and then stir it again. I checked on it frequently, like 5 or 3 minutes intervals, okay. And now after 10 to 15 minutes, this is how it looks. I'll be checking on it again, and I don't want the video to be long. So after everything was done, this is how it looks. So delicious. And just look at the chicken. Oh my goodness. Are you coming home? You are invited, okay? We are waiting for you in the machine house. Thank you so much for watching. So I come your way next time. Do not forget to love yourself first, and do not forget to take good care of yourself. See you in the next one. I love you. Bye-bye.